Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this beautiful and easy gnome Christmas ornament. We just have to crochet these 3 hearts and 3 mini circles and this ornament is done. This pattern is very easy and even a beginner can try to make this. We need yarn of 5 colors. You can use your leftover yarn for this project. Few stars, and I am going to use a hook of 2.5 mm for this project. So we are going to begin with yarn of color A and with slip knot. Now we have to do chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops as a slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now wrap the yarn 2 times on the hook. Insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Treble crochet 1, chain 1, wrap the yarn 2 times on the hook, treble crochet 2. Now we have to do 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Join these stitches into the ring with slip stitch. Now on the top of the next stitch, insert the hook and pull through 2. Single crochet 1, single crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, single crochet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Into the chain space of 1, single crochet 1, chain 1, single crochet 2. On the top of next 7 stitches, 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now single crochet 8, join these stitches with slip stitch. Now cut the yarn from here because this heart is now complete. Follow the same pattern and complete one more heart with yarn of color white, and we will meet again when these 2 hearts would be completed. When these 2 hearts are complete, we are going to make one bigger heart for the hat of the gnome. So for this bigger heart, we are going to begin with yarn of red color and with slip knot. Now we have to do chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 1. Now into the first chain, single crochet 1, single crochet 2 into the next stitch, 3 into the next stitch, 4 into the next stitch, 5, 6. Yarn over, into the next stitch, half double crochet 1, into the next stitch, half double crochet 2, into the next stitch, double crochet 1 into the last stitch of this row. We have to do double crochet 1 into the same stitch, double crochet 2, 3, chain 1, 2, 3. Join these stitches into the same stitch with slip stitch, chain 1, 2, 3 again into the same stitch, double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over on the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, yarn over on the top of the next stitch, half double crochet 1, on the top of the next stitch, half double crochet 2. Now on the top of next 6 stitches, 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26 chains. Join these chains on the top of the hat with slip stitch. Now we have to cut the yarn from here because this hat for our gnome is complete. When these 3 hearts are complete, we are going to make 3 mini circles. So for the circle, we have to begin with slip knot. Now we have to do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We have to go back to the 4th chain, insert the hook in, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is slip stitch, chain 1. Now insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join these stitches into the chain that we did earlier with slip stitch. Now this circle is complete. We have to make similar 2 more circles with yarn of color black. When all these parts are complete, we have to put this heart upside down. On the top of this heart, we have to put the heart like this, and on the top of these 2 hearts, we have to put this heart like this. Now put this circle in this way and 2 mini circles in this way, and now sew these all parts to complete this gnome, and you can add some stars or beads on the top of the hat of the gnome for decoration. This gnome is going to look like this when it will be completed. This can be a very good Christmas ornament for this Christmas. This pattern is really very easy and fast. Thank you so much.